¿Cómo estamos, gente linda? Dios me lo bendiga. Un ratito mecánica. How you doing, my people? Little mecánica bless you. Vamos a estar moviendo el cable del capón. Está roto, no sirve y desde por Fiesta del 2011. So this case we have removed the hood latch cable. The release cable is broken, so we will be working trying to remove it. It is hard, but let's find out. Vamos. How this thing works. You know what? Let me cut it down. Vamos a cortar. Vamos a remover la batería. Let's remove the battery. Good. Number 10. There you go. Time to change. Tiempo de cambiarlo. holding there. So let me remove this cover first. Número 10. Stand. Oh, there's a computer there. Oh. So we might remove the computer first. So there's a PCM there. So, aquí está la computadora. Vamos a sacar eso. Número 8 para sacar esto. So there's number 8 to remove this thing. Alright, so that's 2 volts. Alright. That's just one more buffer. So now we had to unconnect those. So let me show you. There's one. So there's 2. There's 3. There's 3. Already. So una vez desconectado eso, podemos sacar esto. So see, you took out this bolt, you unconnect the connectors in there, and you can remove the whole case in there. So let's try, guys. Vamos a intentar. Pueden remover todo esto. It's too big. Let's remove this thing first. Let's see. Ready. Let's see what's going on here. Vamos a ver qué pasa aquí. ¿Qué más me está sujetando? ¿Qué me está sujetando? No creo que nada más. Oh, there you go, guys. Computer case, computer PCM. Ahí está, miren mi gente. To pull this thing out, so you have to push it. Hold on. See my fingers get reach it. I have to squish this thing. I push, squeeze, yeah. Oh, here it is. Show you, squeeze. It is hard, guys. Let me see what I can do. Es difícil. Vamos a ver qué hago. No, the way to do is just do this. I hope. Yeah, there you go. Eso nomás era. Alright, una vez sacado esto, vamos a jalar esto. So, that's already done. Let's remove this thing again. There you go. There you go. Already. Now we have a space, and now let's check how's the cable. Vamos a chequear ahora cómo está el cable. So here's the release cable. Now we have a beautiful view in here. Ahora tenemos una vista buena. Lo que tenemos que hacer. Está horrible este cable por donde fueron llevando. Miren, aquí está. Estos cables nos están en la vía, pero vamos a tratar de mandarlos por ahí bonito. So it was on the road. So there you go. I have to put it in the side. There you go. Vamos a poner, tratar de sacarla. So this is going right there. So vaya adentro. Ustedes pueden ver. Se desenfoca la cámara. Ese. Y ese va a la cabina. So that's going to the cabin. Inside. So, it is moving, guys. So now we have to go inside. Trying to unconnect that. Vamos adentro a tratar de desconectar ese. Ya vemos cómo está. Acá. ¿Dónde está conectado? En ningún lado. Alrighty, guys, let's go inside. Vámonos adentro. Okay, we're inside. Estamos adentro, entonces la forma de sacar si vemos aquí este plástico, so as you see, the way to remove this, there's a plastic clip in the middle, so you need to pull it down. Necesitamos ponerlo para abajo. A ver si les puedo mostrar. It's hard to record with one hand. Use this one. Just let me bring my stand. Let's go. Easy, guys. Let it go. Let me see. Wow, this thing is crazy. There you go. That's the way. Now it's release. Como ven, es medio complicado, pero ahora se soltó. As you see, my people, here's the plastic clip I'm telling you. So now it's off, was off. So now, a ver, ya sacó. Ahora vamos a tratar de sacar esto para poder sacar para afuera. So, trying to remove this one. I think it's possible. I don't know. Maybe. Who knows? You know what? Let's do the same. Let's put this cable because I did cut this thing. Alright. So what is this? I have to open this thing there. This is crazy. So, como vamos a cambiar, voy a cortar eso. So we're going to fix this, but I had to cut this thing, to make much easier. Para hacerla más fácil, vamos a cortar aquí, para jalarla de la de afuera. Alright, guys, let's bring my tool to cut it. Vamos a traer mi herramienta para cortarle. Alright, we have it here. There you go. this guy. Alrighty, where you go? Where is it? Oh, right here. So now we have to check it where it's connected. So I need to find out how it is. Vamos a ver cómo está conectado y a ver qué hacemos. Alright, guys. On this side, the best way I found is pull it. A ver, vamos a este lado. La mejor manera que encontré es jalarle al frente. Pull it, start pulling. And here we have the side. So ahí está. Pueden ver. Aquí queda hueco. Entonces no sé si tenemos que mandar por ahí mismo, si podamos mandarle, pero vamos a intentar. So, alright, guys, keep pulling this thing. Vamos a jalar y llevarle por la misma vía que lo traímos. Ahí va. Hey, it's crazy thing there. But that's a cable. The cable is broken, so es el cable que está roto. So here's the new hood release cable. Aquí está el nuevo que vamos a poner. So beautiful, right? Now is the way I have find a way how to put this thing in there. Try to make it pass for that little hole, rubber hole in there. So this thing, but you know what? I think I had to remove that because this thing is there. So that means I had to remove that thing in there. Okay, that's much easier. So here's the new part. So if you want to know the part number in this car, let me show you. Si necesitan saber la parte de este carro, déjenme mostrarles. Aquí está el número de parte. Here's the new number, part number in there is original. So that's it, guys. So you're looking for it. So that's the release cable. So now let's I'm getting old, guys. Estoy volviéndome viejo. So now I have to remove that rubber thing in there. Vamos a tratar de remover esto. Vamos a jalar de adentro. Bueno, de alguna manera tiene que salir. So let me. There you go. That's easier. So it is moving. Just push it to inside, and this is free. So let's go inside and see. Should be loose now. Debería estar listo. Solo empújelo para adentro y sale. Entonces vamos acá. No. It's hard to see, guys, but it's going there. That little hole in there. I have big fingers now. Here is it. Is this hole? It's crazy because this cover thing in here is blocking your way. Ven, aquí está esa cosita. Entonces eso va ahí, es el pequeño hueco. Y nada más lo empuja para adentro y jalan y ya está. Entonces ahora vamos a poner el nuevo. So let's try to put a new one. Alright, guys. I have the cable now. New cable. Ok, mi gente, tenemos el nuevo cable. Vamos a tratar de mandarlo por ahí. Entonces, con cuidado. There you go. So let's go outside and see how this. Vamos afuera y a ver cómo está. Ay. Okay, vamos a ver cómo está yendo. Esto hay que mandarlo por acá adentro. Como ustedes vieron, this thing has to go down. As you see, that was before. So this thing was going down. Okay, let's see. Check it here. This toolbox locking my way in here. Alright. Okay, let's see. There we go. Now let's go there. Back. Let's see. This release cable is hard to do. I did the release cable, but not hard like this. Alright, it has to. Sharp things in here. Como ven, este cable es difícil. Yo no he hecho de estos, pero no así feo. Ahora vamos a. Esto tiene clips por acá adentro. Entonces, tenemos que mandarlo por aquí. We have to try to send it right here. So my hand is blocking me. I'll try to put my camera someplace. Can handle it. Alright, guys. That's it. Now, you know what? Let me lose this. Let me lose this bolt. It's number 10. So. I don't know. It's gonna help me now. Maybe. Space. Let's see. Let's put it. Let's try to send it. Oh, guys, this thing is blocking my way there. Blocking my way, guys. It's hard. Whoa. How to put send it? Come on. Let me remove this thing in there. Let me see. Some more space. More. Wow, guys, this is crazy. Let me see if I can drop it from here. There you go. This is not easy, guys. I'm totally. Wow. 4. Say thanks 4. They say this thing in here. So, alright, guys, it is in. So let's try to. Ven, qué difícil es ponerse cable. Entonces vamos a mandarlo por acá adentro. Ok, esto va así el diseño, ¿verdad? Va por acá. Porque esto va a ir conectado aquí. Entonces, ya espero diseño. Espero diseño. Obviamente siempre diseño así de esta manera. Los ingenieros son los que matan a los mecánicos. So, the engineers, guys. Engineers hate the mechanics. That will make our life harder. Siempre nos hacen la vida imposible. Alrighty. This is nothing wrong. Let me see. Let me go check inside. How it is. Voy a chequear adentro cómo está. Guys. we have to keep sending this thing in there. Vamos a seguir enviando esta cosa para adentro. ¿Está viendo? Se está viendo. Ok, hasta que llegue esto. Hasta que se ponga eso. Y ya está. So let's go out and see how this. Ay, guys. Como mi gente, ven cómo está feo esto. So I see. No. Yeah, you can see. Okay. There you go. Watching. I have no idea. There's a girl. And you just pull it. Solo déjalo hasta que entre a su lugar. Y si entro, yeah, there you go. You see, that's it, guys. You just pull it. Make sure it is connected. No, it is like in the middle of the rubber thing in there. It has to be in the middle of the frame in there. So, como ven, ya está ahí. So, tiene que conectar ahí. Alright, guys, so let's put it here. Let me see. It's going here. Woohoo! We're almost there. So let's put this thing in there. Just in case. What the? Oh, it's going right here. I was going to say, wow, this came from. There you go. So vamos a poner esto acá. Let's put this thing. Ahí se está moviendo. Yep, eso era todo lo que teníamos que hacer. Y acá vamos a conectarle, pero primero vamos a ponerle adentro antes de ponerle este. So let's go inside first, guys. So to put that thing in there. Okay. Alrighty, guys. So let's see for the camera. Alright, this is easy, guys, because put it down, put it back. It is easy. Esto es fácil porque esto solo lo empujan para adentro. Solo lo empujan para adentro, nada más. Pues la sacada es difícil, pero esto se va. Let me show you. You just need to put in the straight and push it, and this should be no problem. Yeah, you're right. No problem. Yeah, right. No, yeah. All right. Push it. There you go. It is in. That's it, guys. That's all you have to do in here. That's it. So now remove the OBD. I don't know how I did this. I didn't do it, so this car, I don't know who was touching this car. Let me see. It has to be hanging there. Fixing things here, guys. I don't know who was touching this car. Much better. Okay. Oh, this is good to go. What I did here, but anyway. Alright, let's go outside. Vamos afuera. Ya. A ver qué nos salió acá. Sorry, guys. I see right here. How is this? Y aquí me confundí. Esto venía por acá. Que ver el video. Entonces no viene por dentro. No creo que salga por acá. Maybe sale así. Pero bueno, vamos a chequear bien. El cable va por aquí. Estaba chequeando. Esto va solo así. So I was checking there, guys. So the cable is like this. That's it. So I have to connect in here. Vamos a ver. Conectarle aquí. Pero primero vamos a ver si entra. First of all, let's see. It goes in. Has to. There you go. Easy. Alright. So now what connect it here. I'm gonna put a new hood latch too. This is just for now. Ready? Ready. Let's pull it. Vamos a ver, jalando. I don't know if it's that. There you go. Alright. This cable is like that, but I know it has to. I had to put everything back and check it because this hood latch is not working, so I had to test it later, but that's it for this case. So eso es todo lo que necesitan para hacer para cambiar el cable. Vieron la manera. Esto es solo para esto. Tengo que cambiar uno de estos también, aquí esto está dañado, pero si quieren cambiar el cable, esto es fácil. Lo sacan por acá. Entonces, pero ya el cable es lo más difícil aquí. Entonces ya vieron cómo cambiar. Entonces todo lo que tiene que hacer es armar todo para acá atrás y probarle, y les debería quedar bien. Entonces no tengo más. Un ratito mecánica, Dios me lo bendiga. Cristo está viniendo, los ama. Entonces pongan para atrás todo con cuidado, y eso es todo. So that's it, guys, for this case. This video is only for how to remove how to change the release cable, hood release cable. So that's all. Like I had to put everything back. This is easy, you know, nothing crazy, but it's not too easy, but you can do it. So that's it. I had to find a new hood latch because I need to replace this part too. So for now it's good, and that's what I can show you. This is easy to change, not like the cable, but you figure it out. So that's it. Put everything back and you'll be good. See it. Little bit of mechanic. God bless. Jesus coming. He loves you.